Hello everyone, this is the intern batch of KPC Medical College and Hospital, batch 2016 to 2022. This is with regard to the series of events that took place from 7/6/2021 to 12/6/2021 at KPC Medical College and Hospital following a plea made by the intern batch 2016 to 2022 for a stipend hike which has remained constant for the past 6 years. Getting no response to the letter sent to the management dated 25/2021, the intern batch requested to have a conversation with the management on 7/6/2021, which led to the following. On 7/6/2021, the interns were denied any form of communication and were reprimanded for such requests. They were forced to sit outside without food or water for more than 6 hours, which led to the fainting of a fellow intern to whom no medical assistance was provided. The entire incident was broadcasted by various media houses, which showed the peaceful nature of the protest, that no obstruction was caused to daily administrative or hospital functions, and yet police was called against their own interns by the management. The management agreed to hold a meeting with 6 representatives along with the promise of live telecast on 9/6/2021, but failed to keep their word on the aforesaid date. The entry of all students of KPC MCH along with the interns was barred to the academic building. Access to basic amenities such that of the library and student section and even the washroom was denied. The principal finally agreed to talk to the representatives, and the conversation ended with an assurance of a positive response to our demands and the upliftment of all hindrances to the academic building that would be conveyed to us by 11/6/2021 via an email. And so we paused our protest in the hope that our demands will be met. On 11/6/2021, the academic building was still not accessible to the interns. At 1:32 p.m., an email was received which had no mention of the increase of the amount of the stipend. It said that once the tuition fees is at par with other private medical colleges of West Bengal and the prevailing pandemic improves, the committee will consider making the stipend of interns at par with those private medical colleges. Repetitive failure of the management's part to abide by their promises left us no choice but to resume to our peaceful protest on 11/6/2021. We would like to mention none of the interns ceased their duties. No hindrances were caused to the functioning of the hospital. No ambulances or police vehicles were stopped. It is to be emphasized that, contrary to several claims made, we did not stop access to food or water for the officials. Finally, owing to the relentless efforts by the present intern batch, who continued their movement despite the several attempts to defame the protest and its cause through unfavorable weather conditions, along with the torrential support provided by our juniors and seniors, the management sent a positive response through an email on 12/6/2021 at 2:23 p.m. mentioning that they have agreed and confirmed to a hike in stipend, and intimation regarding the amount of hike would be mentioned on 19/6/2021. A heartfelt thank you to the doctors' associations like WBDF, PJDA, PDA, IMA for extending their support to our cause.